Howdy ho! I was thinking on my way up Lookout today about, you remember those word problems that we had to do in high school where there's a car driving east at this speed, this miles per hour, and then there's another car behind it driving at this speed, and the road is this windy, and how long will it take for the back car to reach the front car? I did not like those problems because I have no idea, but I was thinking about it today because I was riding up and there was a woman ahead of me on a bike, and I started thinking about those vectors or whatever they're called, the speed and the force and all that stuff, and kind of wishing I understood it better and I could maybe calculate it in my brain, but that's not the point of this video. The point is I was thinking about that, and then I realized my bike computer had gone off. The battery is dead, and so it wouldn't have mattered anyway because I would have no idea how fast to go or how fast I am going, all that stuff. And I started thinking about how nice that actually is sometimes, not to know how fast you're going, not to know how long it's taking you to do something, especially when you're exercising, and especially if there's a destination. And that I was, just to go kind of as hard as you can. But one of the things that, if you want to, or take your time and enjoy it, whichever one is really your goal, I guess. But my bigger thought about it was about how in those word problems, they never talked about the human element. They never talked about, how physically fit someone was driving the car, or how, what kind of mood they were in emotionally. Were they happy? Were they sad? Were they angry? All that stuff. What was their mindset? Did they think even that they could overtake the car in front of them? And I know I'm reading way too much into these word problems, but I think all that stuff's really important. Like especially when you're doing something physically like this, if you're not in a good space, or if your mindset isn't clear and your expectations are really high, you're probably not going to hit them. And then you're going to be really disappointed in yourself. And a lot of times, expectations are not good for me. I tend to have them, and then if I don't hit them, I beat myself up. When in actuality, it's really the process. It's really the ride. It's not the goal that really matters in the long term. It's really the process. What are you learning? How much are you enjoying what you're doing as you're doing it? And so, as I was riding my bike with no bike computer to tell me how well I'm doing or how not well I'm doing, how poorly I'm doing. My grammar today is not very good. Oh, there I am judging. I realized just how much more I was enjoying it. I just kind of paid attention to how my body felt. It's a beautiful day. It's probably 65 degrees. Beautiful sunshine, blue sky, no wind really. And so I just was able to enjoy what I was doing as I was doing it. And I still made it to the top. And I still got a good workout. And I didn't have to berate myself for not going faster. So, never caught the woman in front of me. She was way faster than me. I think she disappeared at some point and never saw her again. But that's okay. I still had a great ride. And now I'm going to head down, have the wind in my short hair, my helmet, and enjoy the rest of my day. Hope you have a wonderful day as well.